Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the traditional Pad Thai noodles. Pad Thai is listed at number 5 on world most delicious food and it's super easy and simple to make. And if you follow my recipe, this is actually the traditional Pad Thai noodle that you will get it from Thailand. So if you're ready, let's get started. There are all ingredients. Is rice noodle. If you're using dry rice noodle, it's easy to find in Asian shop. You need to soak them first at least 45 minutes to 1 hour at room temperature or until it changes color from clear turn to white color. Put the noodle into the water for 1 hour. Let's start with the most important things about Pad Thai, which is the sauce. It's very simple. You need 3 ingredients: the sweet, salty, and sour. Sweet is palm sugar or coconut sugar. It usually come in a pack like this. All you can have to do is just chop it with a sharp knife. The sour is tamarind, so this is basically mixed with the water. So today I'm gonna use the tamarind concentrate. It's a saucepan. I'm gonna add everything in there. We are going to need tamarind concentrate sauce, about 4 tablespoons. And water, 4 tablespoons. We are going to need about 4 tablespoons of coconut sugar or palm sugar. And kind of stir them together, and we are going to put that on a medium-high heat first. And after sugar is dissolved, we are going to need about 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. And use medium-high heat first on the stove until it's boiling, and we are going to reduce that to a super low heat. You see it's boiling and you see like a bunch of bubble. You are going to lower down the heat. Then we are going to let that simmer for about 10 minutes. And your sauce is done, and just let it sit until it's completely cool. After completely cool, you can see that it's a little thicker and just can put them in container. It's very important to have everything ready before you start cook. This noodle, first soak 1 hour. Thai sauce, shrimp, shallot, bean sprout, egg, shrimp, garlic chive, peanut, pickle radish. There are dried shrimp, shallot, and pickle radish. And this one is a tofu. And then we're gonna fry them a bit. Into a wok or a flat pan, I will put my vegetable oil and a medium heat. using shrimp as classic pad thai, but you can do chicken, pork, whatever you want. I'm just gonna fry first, cook them off, then move them back into the bowl and then return back. Add a little bit more oil, medium is okay. I start putting my shallot, dry shrimp, and tofu, also sweet pickle, radish. And then stir them together. Make sure it's medium heat. Then the pad thai sauce go in. And also adjust your taste. If you like sweeter, you can add more sugar and crunch peanut. And at this step, I put the noodle in the side again and add an egg. You can add 1 or 2 as you want. I'm telling you that it's not difficult to make it. Taste it should be a perfect balance of the sweet, salty, and sour. Coming from dry shrimp, crunchiness from the bean sprout, some nuttiness from the peanut. Every ingredient is there for the reason, and it's so good. I hope you give this kind of big recipe.